So you guys, welcome back live on CoinMarketCap blog Alexandria. So it's your boy Q. We're going to be looking at what is Depo, Depo token, features, tokenomics, price prediction. Article was done by Essential Fig live on DeFi. So table of contents, we're going to be covering how does Depo work, coin progress, and tokenomics, price predictions, and future outlook. So Depo claims to be the world's first decentralized multi-market aggregator platform that is suitable for both beginners and experienced users. It serves as a bridge between institutional-grade investment and widespread retail usage of blockchain and cryptocurrency technology. Deadpool is trying to build a holistic ecosystem in which all aspects of crypto trading, storage, and management are available to a worldwide audience via a single platform. It provides a platform where users can have portfolios of digital assets across various blockchains, platforms, and marketplaces. Moreover, the platform also comprises decentralized exchanges, NFT markets, and DeFi farms and pools. So how does the Deadpool work in general? Deadpool uses smart order routing (SOR), which is an automated approach for managing orders that aim to take advantage of the greatest available opportunity across a variety of marketplaces. Users can obtain the best possible bargain from the global cryptocurrency market when trading assets on Deadpool. To do this, each trade order is dispersed across many decentralized and decentralized exchange markets, resulting in the best prices on a constant basis. The current progress of the Deadpool team. In an official interview to CoinMarketCap, Deadpool said Deadpool's team of professionals has achieved an impressive track record of delivering quality products to strict deadlines and with the highest levels of security. We are continually building on this proven success to deliver on our promises, bringing together the fractured crypto market to reduce barriers to entry and facilitate genuine mass adoption. Our crypto experts developers have several projects on the go that will be delivered over the coming months, including a fiat on-ramp comprehensive portfolio dashboard, a mobile-friendly app, bonds, revenue sharing, multi-tiered referral system, a cross-chain bridge, and an NFT marketplace integration. So the depot system is constantly being enhanced to provide intuitive and easy to use systems demanded by retail users, combined with the power and functionality of professional tools needed by large institutions. For the complete roadmap of Deadpool, click here. The team behind Deadpool has a strong team of individuals from the blockchain field as well as the larger business world. The project leaders are as follows. We have TJ Dunham, CEO. So TJ is the founder and CEO of Deadpool, and he has extensive experience in corporate management as well as thorough grasp of both conventional and centralized finance. It tends to make Deadpool platform user-friendly, therefore paving the way for widespread crypto adoption. Alex Ong, CTO. Alex has about 10 years of experience in the blockchain business and is highly knowledgeable when it comes to the DeFi world, especially in developing smart contracts for staking and rewards, constructing DEX and wallets, upgrading proof of stake protocols, and working on flash loans and other financial solutions. To George Fox, COO. George offers Depo an exceptional combination of military and commercial skills. He focuses on creating structure and organization to boost Depo's productivity and efficiency. As the Chief of Operations, for the complete list of team members at Depo, click here. So guys, the link is here. I'll still be dropping it so you guys can click it. But looking at the problems in the crypto world that Depo will solve. So there are hundreds of competing tokens emerging every day. The decentralized chains, exchanges have all grown to give distinct benefits, but with their own idiosyncrasies and variable degrees of interoperability. So this has created two important entrance hurdles into the crypto space. First, we have complexities that users face while dealing with crypto platforms. To begin, when it comes to acceptance of crypto in the masses, the first learning curve is high and plagued with not just difficulties but also the regular prospect of irrecoverable financial loss due to user mistakes. Each token may demand a unique wallet, exchange, and staking site, each having its own set of login requirements, fees, interface of the system, and requiring many tasks across several interfaces. This presents a number of possible failure points where a user's improper action might lead to financial loss. But because of the maze of platforms, networks, protocols, wallets, and exchanges, widespread cryptocurrency adoption remains unknown. To come on board, one must spend a large amount of time learning about technicalities. The order posed by a diverse portfolio, that's point number two. The second, even the most experienced users can perceive cost reductions in maintaining multiple assets spanning an ever-increasing number of assets, protocols, and chains, thus restricting the extent of their engagement and hence the overall expansion of the ecosystem. So due to the lack of a single live portfolio overview, principles such as risk management, asset diversification, and portfolio rebalancing can be difficult to apply. This is especially difficult if a portfolio includes a variety of crypto assets such as DeFi and NFTs. The solution that Deadpool provides, Deadpool seeks to combine the fragmented environments within one roof, introduce interoperability to cryptocurrency investment, and enable its users to harness the full potential of blockchain technology and DeFi. All of these will be accomplished through the use of user-friendly aggregator technology. So aggregator technology is widely used in the travel industry, allowing it to grow to $9 trillion business by empowering travelers through web-based platforms such as Skyscanner or Kayak that combine all information in one place and eliminate intermediaries. The Depo aspires to accomplish the same result in the crypto arena. Notion is not only technologically validated but is also well known and commercially feasible. Ideally, ongoing development in cryptocurrency has the potential to exceed the present value of the global financial industry, which is over $20 trillion or more, and double the current size of the travel industry. On unique features of Deadpool, we have an investment grade. Deadpool is one of the stop is a one-stop platform that provides users with the necessary trading tools and quick liquidity access required to manage digital assets on a professional or institutional level. It's also decentralized. Users have complete control over their assets, avoiding the locks and constraints imposed by centralized financial institutions. Depo is non-custodial in the sense that your keys and coins are yours to own. The platform does not have any KYC requirements. For consolidated multi-market aggregator, so Depo is a unified platform that brings together all major controlled and decentralized exchanges, NFT marketplaces, decentralized apps, dApps. Therefore, users are not compelled to manage their digital assets across several platforms. The ease of use. Deadpool employs a user-friendly and easy-to-use interface that allows you to access markets in only 3 clicks. They also have the best price. Deadpool enables customers to harness the power of liquidity routing by utilizing XOR or smart order routing, which ensures that you always receive the best price available in the global cryptocurrency market. All SECs and DEX. Therefore, also syncs data from over 600 cryptocurrency exchanges and 6,000 assets securely, allowing you to trade your digital assets with ease. It also provides quick and efficient trading on all accessible DEX without the need for a middleman that may sacrifice performance and security. Consider a dashboard that allows you to trade, arbitrage, and manage your account on all DEX in which you have liquidity all in one spot. So Deadpool is the name. And all NFT marketplaces. So Deadpool's native marketplaces also allows users to generate, purchase, and sell NFTs. The data feeds inside Deadpool aggregates prices from Rarible, Mintable, OpenSea, and from around the NFT market. So DeFi lending protocol. Deadpool is compatible with all DeFi lending protocols and via its smart contract interfaces with various blockchain platforms including Uniswap, SushiSwap. It will allow you to lend and borrow tokens using various DeFi apps all this time. ARC20 wallet, Deadpool is interoperable with all major ARC20 wallets, enabling you to interoperable with all major ARC20 wallets, enabling you to store, receive, transmit, and trade your tokens in a safe manner. Also, it's also available for staking. Deadpool allows you to keep ownership of your tokens while maximizing your holding across all staking platforms. The staking allows the investors to increase the value of their crypto assets by participating in staking or lending. Aggregation of liquid assets therefore allows you to view all of your trading activities and portfolio. The performance on a single streamlined and simple to use dashboard connecting to Deadpool basically means supercharging all of the platforms on which you presently store your cryptocurrency. The liquidity in each of your accounts becomes fairly flexible, is measured collectively, and is presented on the user dashboard. This effectively implies that whatever account you link to Deadpool, whether it is CexDex, wallet, or NFT marketplace, will be displayed in a single location. To top it all, the assets in the account will be instantaneously transferred. So the tokenomics, the total and maximum supply of Deadpool tokens is around 1 billion, and the current circulating supply is set at 280 million Deadpool tokens. So Deadpool price, the price is now trading at 0.2538 as of January 14th, 2021. 24-hour trading volume on exchanges is around 3,216,428 dollars. The Deadpool price prediction and future outlook. Deadpool token has 1 billion token fixed cap, and 30% of the amount is encrypted for a year in Unicrypt. This is done to demonstrate the potential to investors that a long-term strategy is in place. Furthermore, this cryptocurrency has a strong staking potential as holders of the Deadpool token will receive 50% revenue share. In the near future, the project's creators hope to include a tiered referral system to increase interest through word of mouth. However, there is a feature in the Deadpool ecosystem that is much more intriguing than the Deadpool token. Rather than creating a new decentralized exchange, Deadpool has devised a method for combining the order books of several different exchanges into its own protocol. This provides investors and traders with a unified user experience that can be used across several platforms and eliminate a huge burden for investors who have multiple accounts for accessing different coins. All of this shows potential and why it is likely that institutional investors may see the Deadpool token as a long-term project with strong fundamentals. The Deadpool token has surged more than 4,000% from its all-time lows of 0.0056 cents. Its current price at the time of writing has reached its all-time high of $0.25 and is currently constantly testing to break its new resistance to make a higher low. So looking at the chart, it can be seen that the price of the Deadpool token has increased gradually to reach its current level of $0.2. In the long run, this is excellent news for Deadpool token holders, as such consistent price action is only seen in the strong fundamental projects. While the Deadpool token is looking bullish right now, the volatility of the crypto market makes everything unpredictable, and it is better to invest after consulting with crypto experts and doing your own market research. So you guys, we've come to the end of this article review. We do hope you find this helpful, informative, beneficial. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, Shubaki, stay safe, and peace out.